Did you know the average American spends over $7,400 a year on completely useless things? That's money that could be building your wealth, completely wasted. Welcome back to The Smart Spender. Today we're breaking down 5 simple, automated spending habits that rich people use to grow their bank accounts without living like a monk. If you want to master your money this year, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Habit number 1 is the 24-hour rule. In a world of one-click shopping, impulse buying is the biggest wealth killer. The rule is simple. Whenever you feel the urge to buy something non-essential, you must wait exactly 24 hours before hitting checkout. 9 times out of 10, the dopamine hit fades, and you realize you didn't even need it. This single habit can save you hundreds of dollars every single month. Habit number 2, pay yourself first. Most people get paid, spend money on rent, bills, and fun, and then save whatever is left over. Rich people do the exact opposite. The moment their paycheck hits, a percentage is automatically moved into an investment or high-yield savings account. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill that you have to pay. If you don't see the money in your checking account, you won't spend it. Habit number 3 will completely change how you look at prices. Stop looking at things in dollars and start looking at them in hours of your life. If you make $20 an hour after taxes and you want to buy a $100 jacket, ask yourself, is this jacket worth 5 hours of my hard work at the office? When you frame spending in terms of your time and freedom, saying no becomes incredibly easy. Habit number 4 is the subscription audit. Millions of Americans are paying for streaming services, gym memberships, and software apps they haven't used in months. Microtransactions drain your wealth silently. Every 3 months, look at your bank statement line by line and cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. You'll be shocked at how much money leaks out of your account without you noticing. Becoming a smart spender isn't about cutting out your daily coffee. It's about making conscious decisions with your hard-earned money. Which of these 5 habits are you going to start today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it valuable and share it with a friend who needs to hear this. See you in the next video.